County in central Maryland, central Howard County in central Maryland, until midnight at 9:02 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. An estimated 2 to 2.5 inches has already fallen between Germantown and Clarksburg. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches can be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Boyd's, Ellicott City, Germantown, and Montgomery Village. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Act quickly if flash flooding is observed. Move to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.